Funny money. So we've just pulled up, we're actually in the Republic of Ireland now. We've pulled up at one of these 24/7 laundrettes. They're pretty good. I prefer going to a proper laundrette though, they're just always a bit better. We had so much washing to do. I took up all of the washers and the dryer. So I'm getting all that done, and then we're heading to a waterfall. And it's a massive one, so I'm super excited about that. It's been a really crazy, stressful day, some of it, but it's a nice night now. Kaylin's having fun playing in the gravel. Brilliant. Kids can always find something to do, can't they? I could have done with a parent myself earlier on, trying to sort out blooming data and foreign weird money and all the rest of it. Can you see that fiver floating about? My darling husband always forgets to empty his pockets, and I've decided... Ah, there it is, there it is, there it is. You see it? See it? Whatever money I find in there, I'm keeping, because I've had to sort it all out. So far, I am at £6.45 up. Thank you, darling. Well, that didn't work. Van looks like a Chinese laundrette now. Oh, what have you done? You.
I was making room to get into my bed.
God.
Without knocking all the washing off.
So yeah, I don't really rate those Revolution 24/7, whatever you want to call them, washing machines.
How bright's the light? No, they're shit.
It's alright if you're desperate for washing, and when I say desperate, no pants, 5 days, I was pretty desperate.
I've not worn pants for 3 years.
Yeah, well, I like wearing pants.
I like going commando.
I
But everybody's lucky today, you know, even though I am commando and I've got shorts on. It has been a little bit close once or twice.
Anyway, it's like, I don't even know what time it is now. It's like 11 now, and we've just eaten, we've just sorted all that washing out, and there's still a bag full down here that's half damp that I'm going to have to swap over tomorrow. So, it's all fun and games, but waterfall tomorrow.
Yeah, the bedspread's hung over the door seats.
Yeah, that didn't dry either. The bedding dried. Thank God for that.
This park up, fantastic.
Just been to the toilets for a shave,
night.
yeah.
So I've just been in there, hot water, running water.
Was it hot?
Well, it was warm, but it's better than what we have in the van.
Nice.
So yeah, I didn't have to move salad, milk, cups or anything to get to the sink. It was an amazing experience. I might stay for a couple of days actually.
We'll see. There's quite a lot to do around here, but anyway, we'll see you in the morning and we'll show you what we get up to.
See you in the morning.
Are you going to say night-night to everybody?
Night-night.
Night-night.
What are they doing?
What are they doing? Oh, well, you'll have to ask them.
What are you doing?
Are you going to let Kaylin know what you're doing? Apart from watching our video, of course.
And remembering to like it, of course. Tell them, Kaylin.
Do they need to do the thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Say bye to them.
Why?
Not yet. I want to speak to them a bit more.
Go on then.
What colour do they like?
What colour do they like? They'll have to let us know in the comments, won't they?
What colour do you like?
Okay. Right, let's say night-night then. And we'll see you in the morning.
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
Night-night!
Not night. I'm going.
All bathers wearing blue armbands, please leave the pool.
Yeah. Hold that a sec.
Oh my God.
Alright,
Sounded like you were relieving yourself.
Can I do it?
Your mouth's big enough. Hang on.
Party on the toilet.
Yeah.
Go on, put it back. It's a rock. Well, that's kind of spoiled, or should I say the noisy neighbours have spoiled the scenic view. Look at that, guys. It's not very often you wake up to views like this on a morning, is it? Look at that. Caelan wants ice cream. No euros. Poor child. This is Glencar Waterfall. Well, this isn't the actual waterfall. This is obviously a car park. The waterfall's up there somewhere, behind that tree. So we're going to head up there this morning.
I need some more.
Are you happy now you've got clean knickers?
Oh, I'm very happy now I've got clean knickers.
You've been going without for how long?
5 days.
5 days, no knickers? Tart. I hope you take Sterling.
Take it as a petrol station, that's right.
Follow
Follow the sheep.
directions, maintain social distance.
Yep, we've got to follow the sheep.
So everybody
One-way
knows I
system
like
in-
to go the other way to everybody else. This is
Yeah.
not fair.
What-
But I'm not bothered. We're going to go see a big waterfall. No, we have to go this way, darling.
I wish you'd lose that terrible hoodie.
Never.
Simp. Oh, waterfall, camera.
Have you know back on the May?
The Phantom 3.
Oh yeah, the May drone 4K.
Huge.
Too big.
Huge. This is handy now.
That's the next thing.
Yeah.
Right. Good luck.
I'm impressed by the waterfall, but I'm disappointed that I can't physically touch it.
You mean that waterfall?
Yeah. I can't touch it. I wanted to just... Wait there, Caelan. I feel like we're in a magical fairyland. I hope we get to see the top of the waterfall, but I don't know. It doesn't look like we're going to get to go to the top. What have you found? Oh, it's a conker.
A conker.
Yeah. Go on, Kaylin.
Look,
Oh, stand
Oh,
on.
wow. No,
I'm
don't.
only joking.
don't stand on that.
Oh, wow.
Well, is it a beetle?
Yeah.
Hi, Beetle. Hi. It likes you, man.
I wonder if that'll give any kids nightmares that watch our videos.
It likes you.
It's big now.
It likes you.
It's photograph.
Big on there. Look.
He's kind of got quite a bright bluey colour on him, hasn't he?
Should see him when he's flipped over.
Oh, you better flip him back. Oh, poor
I can't remember
thing.
what they're called, these. I think it's either a rhino beetle or
It's
they're
big.
kind of a dung beetle.
I don't know if I've seen one this big before. I don't think he wants you to, love.
He's got no choice.
It's a bit mean, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
hey, he flips over quick, doesn't he? We'll have to
at the
oh,
colour.
wow. Wow. Oh, let him be now, we've seen it. Oh, help him. Do they bite or anything?
There you go. No harm
Oh,
done.
beautiful.
He
Oh,
likes you.
Stop bugging me!
bye-bye, Beetle.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was quick. We're back at the beginning already. It's the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. I loved it. But I really wanted to just go under it, behind it and touch it and stuff. Not fair. And it would have been good if the walk carried on and let you see like where the waterfall was coming from as well, but it just kind of took you round and back again. So yeah, that's it. 5-minute walk. 5-minute ogling the waterfall because it's so amazing. Go and buy an ice cream, go to the toilet, go home. Job done. There's one more waterfall just down the road that we want to see as well. So that one is the Devil's... No, not Arse. The Devil's something or other. Not the official name. Chimney, I think it was Chimney. Devil's Chimney. Something like that anyway. But we'll go and have a look at that later. Or probably tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Are we just going to have a rest now, Kaylin? Are we just having a rest now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be at the waterfall.
Well, yeah, we'll see another one maybe tomorrow, darling. I don't know. We'll see. They've also got a little play park for kids at Glencar Waterfall. There's a little cafe there. They've got toilets that were open all night. And views to die for.
It's hard to know what country you're in it.
The van's just there. When we arrived here last night, it was really late after we'd done all that washing and we couldn't see past the gate, the little fence that's in front of the van there. We woke up to that. That's what I love about van life sometimes. You just never know what you're going to see when you wake up.
Well, obviously
were
the
very-
first most beautiful thing that you see is going to be me.
Oh, I thought you were going to say that about me then.
No, I'm saying what you're seeing. What I'm seeing, the first beautiful thing that I see is you, of course.
Aww. You want me to push you round and round? Yeah. Twisty? Yeah. Okay.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Well guys, we were supposed to go up to the tallest waterfall in Ireland, but apparently it's only a waterfall when there's water coming over it, and it's just up there and dry as a bone. So we're not visiting that one, so we're heading on to our next destination, which is, I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see you when you get there.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.